Today we're going to check out this pocket door lock. If you guys can see, it comes with all these accessories you have, the screws. You got to make sure that you got the correct size on your fence door. There is a lock for indoor and outdoor, all right, in here. And this pretty much drops down and locks within the hinges, if you guys can see that. So today we're going to demo it. We're going to put it together, see how it works. The lock is pretty good. I like the lock that you can actually set it up to lock it in. If you guys can see it, it just locks in right there. Then go back. The setup is simple. When it hits in, it actually locks in here in place. Locking it in, dropping it down. The lock itself is very simple. You just lock it down, all right? So when you lock it down, this particular is supposed to be locking too, so it kind of grabs onto it. But if you don't have that, it won't go up. See this thing? That's just securing the actual lock. It won't actually unlock it. So locking it, this locks in. You could close this end, this module, but when you lock it, you can't do that. So that's how it drops. You guys can see how it works. All right, okay, all right, so this is it, guys. The pocket door, easy. You could lock it up. All right, it hits the fence. You could completely close everything out. This is perfect if you have a fence or you're gonna build a small little enclosure door if you want to keep your animals or anything. Now the thickness of it,
inch and a quarter.
the thickness of it, if you guys can see, this is 1.25 inches of thickness. So just make sure your door is capable of doing that, but you could actually compress this a little bit closer and actually even make it smaller. So not a problem. So if you're building something like that, or you have an existing door that's, you know, certain measurements, then you might be able to do this. I hope you guys enjoy the video.